Hey guys, it's me, Brittany, and today we're going to be building this little piece of Ikea furniture. It is a little step stool, like step ladder, that's made of wood and metal. I have my Ikea toolkit, and then of course I needed a good pair of scissors to break into this box. Now, there was a couple color options of this. I will have it linked below if you are curious about if it's available at your local Ikea and how much it is. Now, the black one, which is the one that I am building, my Ikea store had it on sale for $19.99. It was normally $22.99, so not that big of a savings, but I just felt like it would complement our kitchen and some of the home renovations we're doing, so I went on ahead and grabbed up the black one. Now at this part right here, I've already got everything sorted out, all the packages opened, and I'm getting everything in place to screw in. There was these little metal plates that went between the little step board and the metal frame, and you had to put the screws in. Not too tight, just tight enough for this structure to support itself. And then at the very end, after you've gotten everything more or less together, is where you tighten it throughout, and it will be even and distributed equally to support itself. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, is just twisting it all together step by step. It was a little bit difficult, I'm not gonna lie, because it wanted to move on its own and I was trying to twist them. So that's where I feel like people get frustrated with Ikea furniture builds. As we all know, Ikea furniture has a running joke of being very difficult to build. Then the next step is to get the bigger board of the 3 wooden steps and start to install that into the actual frame. And it's pretty much the same exact way. There's this little metal bracket and then all the little screws, and you twist them in on each side. And then you have to put the metal pole in the back to get it to stand up straight the whole time. And I didn't realize that at first. So that's why now in this clip, there's already a pole in the back side already in place, as you can see right here as I'm twisting it. But once you get them all turned and tightened, it is a step stool that you can step up, and it holds up to 200 pounds in weight. I peeled off the stickers to make it aesthetically pleasing. I recommend this 5 out of 10 on building difficulty.